He took my child. He twisted her memories, her mind. Haven't seen her in over 3 years.
Most of this great wealth comes directly from teaching others how to have beautiful, healthy, loving, romantic relationships.
I thought that everything in my life was going good, but I was just missing my true love.
You too can have harmonious union.
I found people that I can relate to and I can trust.
We had 38,000 people in the group.
This is the story of falling in love.
They were saying things like, are you ready for the ultimate love of your life?
What Jeff and Shalia do has nothing to do with love. It's control.
You're getting some prime ass tea. None of it matters because yours twin flame and this is your union.
Jeff taught us to pursue our twin flames at all costs.
When I spoke up about how I was feeling, I got shunned by Jeff and Shalia.
Liar!
Andrew's lying, Andrew's lying.
Liar. You're either feminine at your core or masculine at your core.
I questioned Jeff, and his reply was, how dare you question your God?
I guess
Stop talking, please. Fine. Let the man speak. The image of Christ was actually me, the second coming, not Jesus, the first coming.
It's insane what I ask of you for you to have my divine light, and yet you get it, do you not?
How much power have I given to these people?
Dissolve the illusion and recognize that you're actually a man.
I felt like I didn't recognize myself.
We were forced to change so much about ourselves.
I just started crying because I felt like that was going to be our last conversation.
He already took my daughter. If anybody should be scared, it should be him.
I will never stop fighting for my sister to come home.
Man, the tea is now being spilled.